Installation and operation of a single target magnetron coating instrument. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the air compressor power cord. Chiller power cord. Vacuum pump power cord. After the main power cord of the equipment is connected, turn on the main power switch. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. The film thickness controller will automatically open after power is turned on. Turn on the DC power supply, vacuum gauge power supply, molecular pump power supply. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the flap. Place sample. Close the flap. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. After the vacuum value reaches below 20%, click to start the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then from 0 to 400, stable operation. Click to set the sample stage rotation. For example, setting the speed to 10. Click to return. Click to start spinning. Rotating. If you need to adjust the sample stage height, click on the sample stage to reset first. When the green indicator light comes on, click to set the height. For example, setting 30. Rising. Click to set the sample stage heating. For example, the target temperature is 100. Heating rate 10. Click to return. Click to start heating. Click on the cleaning mode to clean the cavity. Click OK. Click Set Traffic. For example, 100. Click to return. Cleaning time and frequency are determined according to the process. After cleaning, click to set the flow rate to 0 and turn off the flow meter. Return. Click again to get the vacuum. Click to enter edit. Turn the knob to select and set the film thickness. Click Edit. For example, setting Sunby. Click Confirm. Return to main menu. After the film thickness reaches Sunby, this indicator light will come on. When the vacuum value meets the requirements, click Flow Meter. Set the flow rate, for example, 100. Click to return. Click to set DC parameters. Select Power Mode. Set the power, for example 100. Click to return. Open the baffle. Open the sample stage shutter. Click to turn on the power to start coating. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. Now the indicator light is on and the film thickness has been reached. After coating is completed, power off. Close the flap. Close the sample stage shutter. Click on the flow meter and entering to turn off the flow. Turn off stage rotation. Turn off the heating. Click the sample stage to reset. Click Stop before placing or taking samples. Click to pick up samples. The temperature is too high now. When the temperature drops, it will automatically inflate. Click OK. After the vacuum value reaches 10,000 pa of atmospheric pressure, unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Open the flap. Remove the sample. The following is an introduction to the automatic process. Click on the automatic interface. Select Process Edit. Add the recipes needed for the setup. Click Save. Click OK. Click to return. Click Auto Start. The program runs according to the process until the coating is completed. The experiment is completed.